just grabbing the last of the luggage, and we are leaving Krabi Town, excited for the next adventure to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So one thing that you can say to a woman to make her feel wanted, make her feel desired, is basically complimenting her on how she looks. You know, women love to hear that, and that's what makes her feel wanted, when they know that they are beautiful. Because I hate to generalize here, but every woman wants to feel beautiful. Am I right?
He's right.
I'm right. So a phrase that you can use to be able to tell a girl that she is beautiful, it's pretty much any word that you'd like to use to describe the beauty of the girl that you're dating or that you're in a relationship with, right? Beautiful, gorgeous, attractive, sexy, whatever it is. But here's a little tip that I bet you probably don't know. So if you're in a relationship, you've been dating a girl for a long time, and you always call her, let's just say, beautiful, for example. You always tell her how beautiful she looks, using the word beautiful all the time. What ends up happening is, even though you're being nice and saying that she's beautiful, that word starts to lose a little bit of meaning because you're using it so much. So what you want to do is once in a while throw out a completely different word so it has more meaning to her.
Like what?
For example, call her beautiful all the time. One time when she steps out and she's ready to go out in the town, look at her and say, wow, you are gorgeous. I know something like this may seem very trivial to you, but really verbally telling someone how beautiful, gorgeous, sexy that you think they are, and being able to change it up from time to time really makes a girl feel wanted.
We are going to a super trendy cafe here in Malaysia, and it was once a brothel.
We're inside a very cool and hidden place where they make drinks for you with flowers and ingredients from their garden. Awesome. All right, so we just left, what was it called? I always do this. What was it called?
Oh, I don't remember.
Pagoda?
No. Batak?
Batok. Okay.
Batak, I think?
Batak. All right, so we just left Batak and we got into an Uber, and we have a fellow subscriber here who has recognized Tripp and Brittany, and he wants to say hello, and I want you to meet him.
Hello guys, nice to meet you.
Guys, this is Bikram from Malaysia.
I hope you guys are following Tripp's advice, and he's awesome.
You're awesome.
Thank you.
Is he awesome? Let's get a bunch of comments down below. Bikram is awesome. I want to see at least 100 of these comments. Bikram, B-I-K-R-A-M-M. All right, just got back to the place where I'm staying at, and I wanted to give you the next one. Now, here's the thing. You might be thinking you're about to hear some very cheesy lines, right? Because if you think about it, what are some things you can say to a girl that makes her feel wanted? You can say cheesy things like, I want you, or just saying some sort of corny pickup line or whatever it is. But in reality, I'm going to be telling you one of the best lines that you can use with a girl, and this is going to be with the girl that you have been dating for a while. So no, this is not going to be a pickup line or something that you're saying to a girl when you first meet her. But this is knocking two birds with one stone here. What I want you to say to her is I want you to look her dead in the eyes and say, hey, what makes you feel loved? That's what you're gonna ask her. What makes you feel loved? And she might have an answer for you. She might have something to say. But here's the best part about it, and this is something I've talked about in a few different vlogs here, is the idea of the 5 love languages. So you ask her that. And then that in itself is gonna make her feel wanted, desired, and loved because it's showing that you care. But also, you can dig in deep with her and you can ask her what her love language is. Now, you don't have to expect that she actually knows what it is, but that's a great thing for you two to discover together. You can get the book. I'll actually put a link down below if you want to grab it, or you can just go online and look up the different love languages and you can learn about it in probably under 5 minutes. And you guys sit down and you have a discussion about what is it that makes you feel loved. And there's 5 different ways that people feel loved. I'm not going to go over that in today's video. That's something you can, find on your own, or like I said in the description. But really asking her what makes you feel loved is going to be so powerful because you're going to be able to find out what it is, and of course showing her that you actually care. One of the biggest benefits of being able to speak someone's love language, to be able to make a woman feel wanted, is her not leaving you. A lot of relationships end when someone in the relationship doesn't feel loved anymore, doesn't feel cared for, doesn't feel noticed. They don't feel like they are someone in the relationship. And that is a really big cause of breakups, of fights, and of people just not making it work out. So this is one of the quickest ways that you can actually be able to fix a relationship, is by finding out what makes her feel wanted, loved, and desired, and by continuously doing that. Now, a lot of guys ask me, how do you keep a relationship going? How do you make it awesome? And one of those things is this communication. And it's not just verbal communication like I'm saying to you with these phrases, but it's that communication of love. Relationships are tough, they're complicated, and I know that for a lot of guys it's a big pain point. I know that a lot of guys, though, I feel like don't search online for information about how to make their relationship awesome. So besides the comment I told you to leave below of our friend being awesome, I want to hear from you. What is your relationship question? So write a comment down below on what questions you want answered and what videos you want me to do on how to have an amazing relationship, and one that lasts and is powerful and makes you feel amazing and makes her feel amazing. So write that down below, and hopefully you got some good advice on today's vlog. I'll see you tomorrow.